Hi. I decided to post the final exam today because this is a small class, and I noticed that some of you are almost done with the activities for chapter 12. Therefore, there's no need to wait until the 6th to make the exam available. So as you can see, it will be available, or it is actually available in my Spanish lab, and it is under lesson 12. You will be able to see it if you click on May 9th. Uh, that will be the last requirement for this class. And what I would recommend is that you plan at least 2 hours to complete it without any interruptions. Do not wait until the last minute as usual, because if problems arise, then I will be able to solve them. Okay, so make sure that you have the 2 hours to devote to the test. Now let's go over what's important for the test. Um, so for the final exam regarding grammar, you will need to know the difference between the preterite and imperfect, and when to use one or the other. Preterite for ideas that, only happened one time. Preterite for more for descriptions, telling the time, routines in the past. Comparisons, here you would do comparisons of equality, of inequality, superlative, direct and indirect object pronouns, and remember how to put them together to avoid redundancy. Present perfect, stuff that you have done. Future with will, right? And the endings that you put in the future tense, hablaré, caminaré, and so on and so forth. Um, in chapter 11, you saw the introduction of the subjunctive mood, with, for example, people wishing to impose their will on you, like mi mamá quiere que yo limpie mi cuarto and stuff like that. You also have subjunctive after clauses of emotion. Um, Also, in capítulo 12, you are dealing with subjunctive in adjective clauses. For example, when you're looking for an apartment or a car, a house that you don't know if it has everything you have on your list, you don't know if it exists. Therefore, you express these ideas as, let's say that you want to find your ideal house. Busco una casa que tenga cuatro habitaciones, for example. Or in the case of a car, busco un carro que sea blanco. I don't know if that car exists. Therefore, I have to use a subjunctive after adjective clauses. So that's important. We also have possessive pronouns, okay? As far as vocabulary, remember to go over the vocabulary on sports, traditions and celebrations, jobs and professions, supermarkets, and how to make, some recipes, the steps, how you use se. For example, se corta el vegetal, se pone, se añade, and so on and so forth. We also discuss health related issues, and here you also give recommendations using the subjunctive. For example, if somebody is very sick, you would use the subjunctive with this type of vocabulary, right? Also, we learned about travel, everything about travel, all the vocabulary about going to a hotel and how to get to places. As far as countries, please remember that we went over Argentina, Uruguay, Mexico, Guatemala, Ecuador, Cuba, República Dominicana, Costa Rica, and Panama. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an email. Do not worry about the test for now. Just, if you can do it, go ahead. If not, just wait until the 6th and get started with your exam. The sooner you take your test, the faster you will see your results. Thank you very much, and let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email or under the discussion area. In the question and answers, you can also send me your questions. Mm, Goodbye.